how to create an abstract spotty backdrop in Photoshop. Now, something like this sort of image like here, it's sort of a really weird, sort of spirally sort of backdrop. Now, first thing to do, just quickly clear the document and make certain the actual foreground is black and the background is white. You can do that in the toolbar. Just quickly go and change those. So just go over there. Once you've done that, you can go to the filter menu and render and clouds, and you can reapply the clouds filter multiple times until you're happy with the design, and then use the minimum filter. That creates a nice lot of roundness to the design. So just go to filter, other, and minimize minimum. Once you've done that, you can see the sort of like sort of unusual, sort of ripply, sort of unusual design there it creates. You can also add other layers. So you can add more than one layer. So you can add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm just going to go 2. So new layer, etc. And then just go to render and clouds. And once you've done that, just go to filter and other and minimum. And again, you've got the same sort. And then modify the actual settings. So change the radius a bit, maybe push it up, click OK. Now you can use blending modes to blend between the layers, so the cloud layers. So you can see the 2 there, but I could have created more than 2. So you can just create that. So maybe go for darken at the top of the layers there. Okay, and then once you've done that, go to layer and flatten image. Now, why not use the find edge, or find edges, it's really called, and then just go down to stylize and find edges. And now I'm just going to quickly show you the Autotone. So I'm just going to go to image and then Autotone. And you can see the design. That's sort of got a spotty background. Now that's quite a nice sort of cloudy, weird sort of design already. But what you can do, you can also use the find edge again. So you can use it too many times. So just use it once more and it creates a nicer sort of darker sort of design. So I'm just going to go to find edges. And then you can see that sort of contour design coming in there. And now, filter, stylize, and oil paint. Ramp that up to the top, so up to stylization up to nearly 10, cleanliness up to 10, click OK, and you've got that swirly design now. Very swirly design. So you can use Autotone again. And also what you can do then afterwards, you can actually go to the camera raw filter and manipulate it a bit further. It's up to you. Just go to filter and camera raw filter and then manipulate the exposure, push it back, there, change contrast, lighting, shadows, etc. You can go through those. And what you can also do, once you're actually happy with that, you can also colour it as well. That's another way. Just go to the image menu, adjustments and hue and saturation, and then set colorize on, and then change the colour. So you've got sort of maybe a garish green there. Yeah, push it up and click OK. And of course you can manipulate it further if you wish. Hope you found this of interest. Hopefully you'll subscribe to the channel. Always adding many, many new videos all the time. And also if you could leave a comment or two, please add some comments. That'd be great. Thank you much.